Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you 5 Illustrator useful tips that will increase your workflow. The first tip is saving multiple files. For that, let me tell you what little checkbox you need to check. Let's say we want to save both of these artboards separately. I will go to File, Save As, and Save. Then I will check this box, save each artboard to a separate file, and make sure to select all as you want to save all the artboards and hit OK. Now let's navigate to where we saved those files. Here, you can see both files saved separately. Our second tip is duplicating shapes. Let's create a shape and make a copy of it by holding down Alt or Option key. Now press Ctrl or Command D to make a duplicate of it on the same distance. You can create awesome shapes and patterns using this technique. Our third tip is dividing objects. Let's make a star and create a copy of it by pressing Ctrl or Command C+F. It will create same copy on the front. Let's resize it and give it another color. Now go to the Object menu, then Path, and then Divide Objects below. It will divide the object which is below the selected shape. Let's head over to our fourth tip. It is feather. Let's give this shape a feather by selecting the shape and going to the Effects menu, Stylize, then Feather. Now play with this value to see the changes. Make sure to check the preview box here. Our last but not the least tip. Tip number 5 is Join Tool. Sometimes, you get these annoying extra paths in your shape, but worry no more because you can easily get these disappear by Join Tool. Just simply select the Join tool and brush over the extra paths, and see them disappeared. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share these useful tips so that one can get most out of it.